There was a time when I couldn't recognize myself anymore. When I looked in the mirror and saw someone who had been worn down by pain, by people who claimed to love me but slowly erased me. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Maybe you've survived a toxic relationship. Maybe you've spent years trying to live up to a version of yourself that was never true. Or maybe you've just woken up to the fact that somewhere along the way, you stopped being you. But here is the truth. You may feel lost, but you are not gone. This is your invitation to come home to yourself. Welcome to Redefine Your Narrative, a channel created to help you heal, reclaim your identity, and walk boldly in the purpose God designed for you. Through coaching sessions, powerful storytelling, self-development tools, and faith-led insight, I walk with you as you rise from the ashes of what broke you and step into the woman you were always meant to be. Here, we break cycles, we unlearn the lies, we tear down the false narratives, and write a new one rooted in truth, in power, in God. And while this space was built for women, men, you're welcome here too, because healing is for everyone, and freedom, that's a birthright. So, if you're done just surviving and ready to start living authentically, unapologetically, and purposefully, hit subscribe. This is more than a channel, it's a movement, and your next chapter begins right here.